Yeah, so how much did it cost us to achieve this, to complete this building, which is from foundation to the finishing? Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. My name is Engineer Simon Uzoma. Welcome to Simtech Properties. Okay, here is the building that we completed at Dikenafa, which is Idiato South local government of Imo State. This particular building, this is a 5 bedroom duplex that we did at Dikenafa. Okay, you can see how beautiful this house is. Okay, this house comprises of we have a kitchen, we have dining, we have all the amenities here. All the rooms are all ensuite with everything that you can think of in this particular house. Okay, I'll be showing us everything that we did on this house, from the foundation to finishing. How much would actually cost us for us to achieve this beautiful and elegant house. You can see how good this house is. Okay, okay. Like I said, this is a 5 bedroom duplex with all the amenities. You can see this is the roofing, the top of the roof. Another thing that we did in this project and this building. Okay, if you are coming here for the first time, kindly click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. In this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to building a house. Is it duplex? Is it penthouse? Is it a bungalow? What kind of house do you need? You're getting everything here. And you'll be getting all the cost of material here free of charge. Click on the subscription button and subscribe. You can also share the video to your friends and loved ones. They will appreciate you for doing that. Now, for those that wants to build or those that have intention of building, can call us. Our number is on the screen right now. Call us and tell us what you want to build. Is it bungalow? Is it duplex? Is it penthouse? Is it residential, commercial house? Call us and tell us what you want. We give you exactly what you want. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this is about 185 square meter that we use for this building, which is the square meter is about 185. That's what we use for this particular building. Like I said, it comprises of we have 2 room down, we have a parlor, we have a dining, we also have a nanny room, and we also have a waiting room and a kitchen downstairs or downstairs. Then the up comprises of 3 room up. We have yes, 2 room and an office up. One room was used for office, which is have about the total of 3 room, but one is for office. Then also we have lobby, the up, and also we have a two balcony. That what we have up at the top of this house. Okay, let's move on. Okay, before I continue, let me walk into the house and show us inside the room, like, all the rooms, all the amenities that we have. Let me show us inside and see exactly what we did about this project. Okay, right now you can see me standing at the sit out of the house. This is exactly how the frontage look like. You can see the 2 pillars we have here. You can see what we have at the sit out. Okay, this is the side of the house. The left hand side, you can see there's a grass that leads to the top of the almost the parapet. Okay, this is exactly the design of the house. And the okay, we also have security house that we did for the client, the house security house. Okay, right now I'll be stepping inside the building. I'll be showing us everything that we have here right now. This is exactly what we see is the waiting room of the house here. This is the waiting room. From this waiting room, there's a toilet by this side, which means when a visitor comes in, he can use the toilet here. He can sit at the waiting room and wait for the owner of the house to ask him to come in. If he's pressed, he can use the toilet here by the side of the uh, by the side of the waiting room. Okay, you can see this is waiting room. Now from this waiting room, I'll be moving into the parlor. From here, you can move into the parlor. You can see there is a door that leads to the parlor. This is exactly how the parlor is. You can see what we have here. This is chandarin that we fixed in this particular house. Okay, and this is a POP. You can see how neat our work is. The POP, the chandelier, the plastering and other things that are still going on the painting. Okay, this house has two staircase. This is the first staircase. From the parlor, you can move in. You can move into the top from the parlor. It also has another staircase that you can move in from the other end. Okay, right now this is the staircase that we have here. From this staircase, from this parlor staircase, this is a dining. There's dining. This is exactly from the parlor. You'll be seeing the dining. You can make use of this dining, which is the dining. Okay, now from this dining, there's a door that leads to the lobby. Yes, you can see me entering the door. This door leads to the lobby of the house. From the lobby, you can move into the nanny house. We have nanny house by the left-hand side. I also have the kitchen. This is the kitchen here. You can see me inside the kitchen right now. This is exactly how the kitchen look like. I can see how beautiful and wonderful the kitchen is. That's what we have now. From the kitchen right now, we also have a store. We also have another store inside the kitchen. You can see from here, there's a store inside this kitchen. You can see the store here. Okay, now from this kitchen, I should be moving out. I should be moving out to the lobby. Then from the lobby, I should be moving to the nanny house. This is actually a nanny house, but the owner said we should convert it to laundry. So finally, we converted this nanny house to laundry. Okay, this is exactly what we did. Okay, so we converted to this is laundry of the house. From the kitchen, you can move into the laundry. Then from the laundry, you should be moving to the first room of this particular house. Okay, if I see from this lobby, there's another staircase. This is the second staircase I was talking about. Like I said, we have one staircase in the from the parlor. We also have one other staircase that you can move from the lobby to the staircase. You can see this is the staircase. Now, from this staircase, I should move it from this lobby. I should move into the first room. This is exactly how the first room look like. You can see how spacious and big this first room look like. Okay, you can see what we have here. From this room, I'll move to the toilet. Okay, toilet and bath. This is toilet and bath. Toilet and bath also have a jacuzzi bath. Okay, this is a jacuzzi bath that we install here. This is jacuzzi bath. Okay, also it has the toilet seat, the wash hand basin, and other thing that we have inside this toilet and bath here. Okay, this is the washing hand basin that you can use after going to toilet or what other thing you did here. From here, I'm moving from the room to the outside to the from the room to the lobby. Then from this lobby, I should move to the second room. Here is the second room of this house. You can see. Okay, this is the second room. Now move into the second room. From there, you can see how spacious the second room is with all the fittings have been installed. You can see the windows. This is beautiful window. From this place, now move to the toilet and bath. This is the shower of this particular room. You can see the shower here. Okay, now you can also see the other things that we have here. The toilet seat, the water heater, and other thing that we have here. Okay, and this is exactly how this toilet look like. Now from this toilet, I should move in to the room. Then from the room, I should be going upstairs right now. Okay, now from here, I should be climbing the staircase. You can see me climbing the staircase, going to the first floor of the house to show us other rooms and including the master. Like I said earlier, we have 3 rooms here. One room was converted to office. Okay, so the total of 3 rooms are what we have here, but one room is an office room. Okay, you can see him right now. This is the first room I'm ready to, which it should be that should be the office room. Okay, this is exactly it now. You can see me walking into it. This room is converted to office right now. The client said he wants here to be an office. This is exactly. You can see me going into the room, the office. This is exactly how it look like. Okay, from this office, there is a small balcony that we have here. You can from here and see what is happening outside. This is a small balcony that we have here. Also, the office also have its own toilet here. You can see this is the toilet of this particular office here. Okay, good. Now, right now, I'm stepping out from this office. I should be going to the that should be the next room. Okay, yes, I'm going to the next room right now. You can see me this going to the next room right now. This is exactly how this room look like. You can see what we have here. Okay, you can see how special this room here. You can see the wardrobe is somewhere by the right hand side. Now from this particular room, this is the toilet and bath of this room. You can see me going inside the room to inside the toilet and bath to check what we have here. From this toilet and bath, you can see this is a toilet seat here. From the toilet seat here, there is a washing hand basin. Also, we have the water heater up here. Also, there's the shower. We also have the shower here also. That's for the toilet and bath. Okay, right now I'm stepping out from this particular room. I'm going to the master. This is the master bedroom upstairs. Okay, this is exactly how the master look like. You can see how big and spacious this master look like. You can see the POP, the painting, the windows, and other thing that we have here. From this master, there's a balcony here. You can from this master and walk out and see what is happening outside the building. You can see what is going on from this master. You can see, you can exactly sit here to take fresh air or to see what is happening outside. Okay, right now I move back to the master bedroom, and then let's go to the toilet and bath and check how the toilet and bath look like. Okay, you can see me moving to the toilet and bath. Okay, this is the toilet and bath of this particular master. You can see we have a jacuzzi bath here. This is jacuzzi bath that we have here. Okay, I also have the toilet seat here, and also have a wash hand basin. Another thing that we have in this particular master uh, uh, toilet and bath. Okay, let's move on. Okay, you can see me stepping out from the master bedroom. Right now, I should be going out from the master to the hallway of this building. You can see there's an hallway here. From this hallway here, I can walk down here. There's a staircase that I can go by the left, and also from this hallway, you can see what is happening down. You can see what is happening in the parlor. You can see what is going on from this particular place. You can see this is the staircase, the second staircase, which is one that you can climb from the parlor to the up here. Okay, now from this hallway, I move in to the another. This is lobby. You have a lobby here. There's a lobby here. In this lobby, there's also a toilet here. This lobby will be a place whereby they can sit. Okay, let me just. Okay, this is toilet and bed. Just only toilet for this lobby. Yeah, this, like I said, this lobby will be a place whereby they can sit to. When the friend comes in, they can sit down here to drink, taking kwabi, refresh themselves. After eating, they can use the toilet and then wash hand basin there. Now, from this lobby, you can move into the another sit out. Sorry, another balcony. From this balcony, you can see what is happening outside. You can see the security house that we also built for. This is security house. You can from here to see what is happening outside the building. Now, right now, I'm moving from the lobby. I'm moving to the sit out of this house, which is the first floor sit out here. You can see me opening the door and going outside. Now you can see what we have here. This is exactly the sit out. This is the frontage of the house. You can stand here to check out what is happening around the house, to take fresh air. Another thing that you can think of in this compound. Okay, now right now I move back to the lobby. You can see me. I move back to the lobby. From the lobby, I should be going back to the gallery. Yes, the gallery. This is the gallery. From this gallery, you can see me. You can see the parlor from the gallery. From this gallery, you can move down from the staircase down to the parlor. Okay, you can see me stepping down the staircase. moving down to the parlor of the house. Okay, moving down to the parlor of the house. Okay, right back to the parlor. You can see me standing at the middle of the parlor, and just check out and see how this parlor, how the beauty of this parlor, what we actually did here. For you can see exactly how this parlor look like with the chandelier, with the fittings and other things that we have here, the POP, the painting and everything that makes this particular parlor beautiful. Okay, okay, this exactly. Okay, like I said, this is Simtech Properties. What we did here, we help those in diaspora, even those in Nigeria, to have a beautiful and a wonderful home. Our phone number is on the screen. Call us and tell us what you want, and we'll give you exactly what you want. My name is Engineer Simon Uzoma. Okay. Yeah, so how much did it cost us to achieve this, to complete this building, which is from foundation to the finishing, all the material that we use, the labor fee, and everything that we use. The total amount that we spent for this project is 70 million naira in order to achieve this, which is the carcass and the finishing, everything that you are seeing here, from the foundation to finishing. We spent about 70 million naira. Okay, buy and see other time. Simple Properties.